Tá man seo leis bhar grin John Bishop. How are you?
Very good, thanks. How are you?
Very well. Thanks a million for coming to TG4. What are you doing here in Ireland?
Well, I'm touring around because I've got a big tour going off, and I normally come and I just do the arena down in Dublin. But I wanted to come and see the rest of Ireland, so we've been doing little gigs around and taking a film crew with us just to meet people like yourself.
And do you have a bit of Irish heritage?
Yeah, I have, but it's something I need to pursue more because it's on both sides, on my dad's side and my mum's side. And so we need to get into it a little bit more and find out further where we go, because there's a chance I could be the King of Ireland.
I heard that you were in Croke Park.
Yeah, I was.
What kind of scarf were you wearing that day?
Well, I went to both finals. I was lucky enough to go to both. So I went to the hurling final, and I was in the same box as Tommy Tiernan. So obviously I supported Galway. And then I went to the football final with a mate of mine, Quinny, who's from Mayo. So I supported Mayo. Although I supported Mayo before I found out they were cursed, and it was a waste of my support.
Oh, fair play. Do you remember now your name in Irish? We were doing it earlier.
Oh,
we had a little lesson earlier
you
on.
You did me a lesson. I got the Sean bit.
Yeah,
I got the Sean bit.
Sean Muckanaspig.
Muckanaspig. Because
yeah,
you was teaching me Irish before, and it's so, I mean, it's brilliant to have a chat here, but when Irish people speak Irish, everything blends into one word, and I can't, it's too quick for me. Muckanaspig.
Sean Muckanaspig.
Sean Muckanaspig.
So you can present the gig tonight, you can give your name in Irish.
Yeah, I can go on. This is Sean Muckanaspig. Couple of fucker. Is that right?
Yeah, couple of fuckle.
Couple of
do you remember the word as well for strong ones and wet?
You got no chance.
Okay, well, you can practice it before the gig tonight.
I'll try. I'm sure that'll be the killer.
Okay, Gurmila Maigat.
Gurmila Maigat. See,
Sean Muckanaspig.
Sean Muckanaspig, Gurmila Maigat.